hell's going on in here?
Moving. Just getting a little game in. The series is tied 3-3. No, it's tied 3-3. This is game 7. That's an out.
Yeah,
Are you guys? Yeah, I know.
Are you guys ready to go do some fishing?
He only has one outlet.
Oh.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
You ready, Hank? Let's do it.
Pumped to try out these new reels, man.
Yeah,
I'm excited we got them in.
Yeah, they feel really, really light.
We got those new CE Pros. I wish we could have fished our home waters today, but we had that big tournament out there.
Who does a tournament on a Friday?
I know, our day off, our one day.
Yeah, right.
We'll see if we can get it done. I think we can catch some fish.
Yeah. The tide is falling until about 11:30, and then it's going to start to come back in. We are getting out here a little late for us, but you know, hopefully we get the last hour or so of the tide going out. Gonna have to be safe. I'm gonna have to be safe running around. Yeah. There's rocks everywhere here.
We'll see what we can do, man.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do it.
Nice, Kenny.
That other one with them. Well, we coming through here and we didn't see any fish. You come in this little cove and then these fish start coming down the bank right where we just came from. So I don't know why we never saw them, but I led them a good little bit and one of them came out and ate it. And I think it was the bigger one of the two. So. And then Kyle's gonna see if he can double up. No bueno on the double.
You lowered the engine. God damn it. Oh, you're good. Oh yeah.
He's probably under, right?
Yeah.
I don't care. I just.
No, I'd like to take him home.
I'd like to put him on the fryer.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that was probably sauce.
Cool.
Are those redfish sitting there?
Those are sheep. Those are all sheep.
That's bottom that I just threw to? Look at all the sheep that's swimming right there, though.
No, he's talking about that he hit bottom.
Oh, those are reds up there further, swimming.
Oh yeah, there's a lot. Oh, that's a huge school.
Oh, come on, Kenneth.
There was what, 30 fish there? I saw a huge school of those.
I don't even know what just happened. We were just coming down this bank and saw some sheep's head, and then all of a sudden I saw a couple reds, and there was like 30 reds behind it just swimming down the bank. And I threw in there and something bit it, bait slid down the hook and it came off, and then they kind of spooked out behind us. So
One of those things you hate to see.
yeah, you do hate to see that. You definitely hate to see it.
You hate to see it. I think Kyle hit a rock, that's why they spooked in the first place.
You did hit a rock,
It
Kyle.
was actually Kyle's fault. Everything's always my fault.
It's easier to blame things on you, that's for sure.
It's always my fault.
Kyle caught us a little off guard with a blind casted redfish the moment he switched to a paddle tail. Got any words of wisdom to say, big dog?
That's just luck when you do not have any light.
Luck without light. I like that. The double L theory.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here's a nice little slide. Second cast, a blind cast.
Yeah, literally just switched to a paddle tail and his second cast with the blind cast hooked up. Did not see that one coming.
You got him, bud?
It's like wrangling an alligator over here. He's gonna lose it. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
His tail's a little beat up, or not his tail, his back fin. Oh no, his tail is.
That is his
missing.
tail.
He's missing the top of his tail.
Probably got eaten by that dolphin that came up and said hi to us.
Yeah. Big dolphin boy.
Hopefully we get more. That's the main goal.
Alright, Kyle decided that he is not an only child anymore
Oh, thank goodness.
and is allowing Kenny
We
to
just
come
switched
up on the
GoPros
bow.
again.
I hope they can see how far the sun dropped or rose from the first time we caught a fish to when I got on the bow. 'Cause
Yeah.
I'm not an only child.
What does the sun make it different?
Right now you're just
Because they
proving the fact that you have only child syndrome.
they would notice
You're
it
making
was
up excuses.
2 hours that I pulled your ass around missing shots before we finally switched up.
Ooh, shade has been thrown. I think only Kenny sight casted a fish today.
I can't miss shots.
And I'm the only one that has blind. I'm the only one that has blind casted.
Which one's more impressive?
Sight fishing for
Yes.
sure.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean that
Definitely.
is debatable because I don't know if there's
It's
a
not.
fish where I'm casting.
It's definitely not debatable.
I think it's debatable.
It's no. Only child syndrome. That's not debatable either.
Stay left, I think. Well, you're going to hit these rocks right in front of us. There's no avoiding that.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, dude.
Damn, we just slid up on that.
Problem is you're on top of this one. You're right in the middle. I push you this way, you hit it, and I push you, yeah, back up, and there's one behind you. All right, should be good. Come forward now.
I feel like it should be good to get in now.
Yeah, that's.
Dogs.
Ah! There we go. Oh, it's a freaking baby.
Kenny wanted something cute. Dude, that's adorable. Oh yeah. Quick release, clean. You did that in 30 seconds.
Did you get that?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, Doc, what we got going on here?
Well, Kyle said there'd be fish here. He wasn't lying. Well, look at all the spots on him. It's awesome.
You liking what you're seeing?
Oh yeah. The vibes are back.
Oh yeah. Here, I'll do a cameraman net job for you. I haven't had one of those yet today. Oh yeah. You want to come grab this for me? Cool. Thanks.
No problem, buddy.
Awesome.
We are back. We are back.
He's leaving me hanging.
We're gonna
on.
get the reds
There.
back.
Yeah. Multi-spot. Love to see that. That's beautiful.
Well, today was fun. We caught some, we lost some, but all in all, it was a pretty solid day testing out the new Osprey CE Pro.
Yeah, I'm really liking that reel. The faster gear ratio makes it a lot easier to pick up quick, make quick casts.
Especially covering ground on
Yeah.
these, overcast days where where we really couldn't see anything.
Yeah, we had to do a lot of blind casting today and just covering water. It wasn't the best day, but we made it work with what we had, so.
Definitely. So, awesome
Good
job,
day.
dude.
Yeah.
It was fun. Oh. Kenny's worst idea. Trying. Gotta get around it. Oh no. Oh no. No, not this.